Hello guys and welcome to another math video. Today we are going to talk about lines, rays, points, and angles. So what are lines? They are a straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. So if I draw a line right here, just like that, it's not straight, just like that, and it extends in both directions. That's why you have arrows. And what can we name this line? We can name it line AB. Here's how you write it. Put the AB and then you have a line, a small line on top of that. So those are lines. Remember, they are one-dimensional and extends endlessly in both directions. Why is it not straight? It's glitching out like, I don't know. Both directions, okay? Let's go on to the rays. It is a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. So if you think about it, this is a line and this is a ray. So it just cut off this part and then there you go. You have a ray. It is a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. So this is the start point and this is the end point. This is the start and this is the end. So how can we name this? There are two types of names. One is in the point itself, it's A, or maybe it's right here on the ray. And we have B. So it ray A or this ray, that, or a B ray. So if you have two rays, I discussed this in my angles video, link in the top right now. So if you have two rays like this, you can create an angle. Specifically, this I wrote right angle, but you can also have, just a review, what is this angle right here? Got it right. It's an acute angle, while this is an obtuse angle right here. So how do we name an angle? So there are again two types of names. Either you can have angle A, like that. Discuss this in my angles video. This is just a review about that. And there's also another one. You get a red pen. Also another one right here. Oops, sorry. B, and then this is C. So we can have angle BAC. And this can also be not a letter but a number, like this. So this is angle 1. Now let's go to a point. What is the definition of a point? It is a zero-dimensional thing. A synonym of a point is a period. It's like right here. So it is the starting point of array. Or a line doesn't have it has infinite points like this. If you have infinite points, you can either have array or a line. Now let's go to a segment. What is a segment? So let me just erase this. So what is a segment? So a segment is like this. A point right here and a point right there. That is a segment. So 2 points can create a segment. This is a line segment. So I have here point A and point B. We can name it A, B, and if there are no arrows, then it means it is a line segment. Don't confuse this with a line. There are no arrows. It's a line segment. For example, like right here, it has some arrows. Whoops, sorry. And you can either have AB or BA, like that. So yeah, that is a line segment. Line segment. Now let's go to a test to see how well you've done so far, how well you've learned so far. So feel free to pause the video to try this out. I'll give you a minute or two. There we go. You're back now. So, did you get your answers? Number 1. What is number 1? Again, if there are 2 rays, come back right here. There are 2 rays intersecting 1 point. Then it forms a angle. So right here, an angle. Now what about number 2? Number 2, we have a ray. You're right. Because there is a starting point and there's no end point. And this is just a point in the ray. That's why it is called ray A. What about number 3? Yes, you got it right. It's letter B, line. Because there are 2 arrows, which means there are no starting points and there are no end points. Now what about 4? Yes, it is point M. What about number 5? Yes, got it right. It's a segment. I hope you guys learned something today and see you all next vlog. Bye!